Okay guys, today I'm gonna bake cornbread. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 1 cup buttermilk, 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, and then half a cup of butter, melted butter, and then 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup corn milk, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, those dry ingredients first: the all-purpose flour, the cornmeal, salt, baking soda, and then baking powder. Okay, so we're gonna mix it together. First, okay, the eggs, the sugar, and then the butter. So we're gonna mix it together. Hangtod nga mo dissolve ni ang aning sugar. Yeah. Ato dayon ibutang sa So next, ato siyang ibutang diri sa flour mixture. Okay. This is it. Okay, so we have kuanan ni gibutakan na nako og butter, guys. Para dili mo pilit. Okay. So, I bake this one for 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, so our cornbread is done. Okay, because I put the toothpick and it come out clean. Okay. So I'm gonna get it now. Bread, guys. Okay. One. Okay. Sarap. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it. So I'm gonna taste this one. Look at that one. It's yummy, guys. Cornbread. That's yummy. Okay, guys, that's our cornbread. So if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Yummy!